1, 2,
See
3.
my butt.
Hang on, you
Don't
guys.
get towards that edge, that won't do it. Don't throw yourself.
I'm worried about that.
Goes out on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not good. That's good.
Reactions.
That's a big rock.
That wasn't my prime or anything.
What time of day are you
Hi,
in your
Mom.
prime? Look at the ripples that go across the whole thing.
That's for you, Mom.
People. Look, there's a tree in there. I wonder if there's more ponds. Find a pond. God. Real quick.
You guys have anything to say at all? Kevin?
Go.
Kevin?
Yeah.
All
That was fun.
All I have to say, Mitch, is that was quite the throw.
Yeah. Yeah. Mitch.
We'll be right back after these messages.